Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul QA Labs. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning how we can create a test case in TestRail and how we can create or divide the sections or subsections. So as you all know, like test case is the basic unit of testing, and test case is nothing but a list of test steps and what is the expected result. Okay, so let us see how we can create test cases in TestRail. Okay, so this is our dashboard for test demo project 1. For creating the test cases, you can see here this link test cases. Click here. Okay. So as of now, we don't have any test cases out listed out here, and we don't have any sections as well. Okay. So let us try to add a basic test case, and then we will try to add a section. Okay. So see here, a test case verifies a certain feature or functionality or a requirement, and sections they are used to organize the related test cases into groups, as I told you before. So let us add a test case. Click on this right hand side add test case button. Okay, so this is the number one. The first one is we have the title of the test case. So for example, this is login functionality verification. You have given the title. Now comes the section. So as of now, we don't have any sections, so we'll take the default section. Uh, Now there are certain templates available for creating the test cases. We have test case text, we have test case steps, and we have the exploratory session. So we will take the test case text, and like what kind of test case it is, like it is a regression test case, or it is a security test case, or smoke and sanity, or it is a usability test. So these options are available. You can select as per your convenience. So I will select as functional test case. Coming to next one is the priority case, a critical one, or it is a high priority test case, or a medium or a low one. So you can select as per convenience. Okay, estimate means like how much time, like how much days or how much hours you will be taking to execute or run this test case. So you can give some like suppose 1 day or something. References are nothing but the requirements or the user stories or any documents you want to link with this particular test case, or what this particular test case describes, or from referring which documents you have written this test case. So these are kind of references that you can give it out here. Coming to next one, we have the automation type. So is this like automation test or automation type means it's a automation test case or it's a manual one. So you can select as none as of now. Coming to next one, we have the preconditions. So what all preconditions are available in order for the test case to run. So the site should be available, and there should be, suppose you are testing the login functionality, so there should be two fields like login and password. So as per your case or as per your requirement, you can give out the preconditions here. You can attach images out here, or you can add a table to this text field as well. Next comes the steps. So what all steps you will follow to create a test case, and how you will be executing the test case. So step-wise steps, like login into the website, then enter the username, enter the password, click on login button, something like that. And these are the expected results. So what all results do you expect after you execute this test case? So those expected results will be coming out here. Okay. So these are like the basic fields related to a test case, how you can create a test case. And let us give some dummy values here and click on add test case. So see, successfully you have added the new test case. All the details are present out here. Type, priority, what is the estimate, Do you have any references or not? Preconditions, steps, expected results. So all the fields that we have filled some time back, all the details will be listed out here. Okay. So if you want to add any another test case, you can click on add another. So the same window will open. You can give all the details out here and you can create another test cases, right? Okay, so this is how we can add a test case. And yes, coming on the right hand side, there is an option called attachments. So if you want to attach any test case with some attachments or with some files, you can drop your files out here. Click on this, dialog box will open. So you can attach those files as well. So this is how we can basically add a test case and give all the fields. Okay, so we have added the test case and this is the section test cases. So if you want to edit this section name, just click on this edit button and you will get the edit section dialog box where you can edit the section name. For example, I want to edit the section as login related test cases. Login functionality. Okay, so this is how you can edit the section. Click on Save Section. See, the section name is updated. Okay. Another thing is you can also add a subsection to this section. For example, if you want to add a subsection named homepage, so you can give the name of the section here. You can give some description like functionality related homepage and click on add section. Okay, see, so this homepage is added under this login related test cases. So this is your main section and this is a subsection under this section. So like this, you can add sections and subsections in your project. See, if you see on the right hand side also, so this is the login related home test cases and this is the home page. Okay, so this is the hierarchy how it goes. Now suppose you want to add another section. So click on this right hand side add section button, payment related test cases. Okay, payment related, click on add section. Okay, so see, this is another section that is added here. On the right hand side, it's very easy to, identify. So this is one section, this is another section, home page is the subsection. Okay, so this is how you can add or you can classify the sections and subsections and like create the test cases. Okay, so I hope you got some idea on how to create a section and subsection. That's it.